Most messes can't be erased with just a rag and cleaner. That's why Bissell is happy to offer the Spot Clean Pet Pro Spot Cleaner. This machine provides superior vacuum-like suction in a compact and portable machine, giving you professional power right in the palm of your hand. It has a large capacity tank that holds 96 ounces of liquid. That works out to more than 2.5 times the size of our next largest tank, so you don't have to empty or fill these ones as often. Plus, we engineered it with a long hose and power cord, so you get extra reach while cleaning tricky spots like stairs, pet beds, car interiors, and area rugs. It's the powerful stain removal machine that every home with pets should have on hand.
Your carpets see it all, collecting every memory and every mess, every single day. But getting a fresh start doesn't have to be intimidating. With the Hoover Power Dash Carpet Cleaner, it's easy to use, and it delivers the impressive deep cleaning power needed to leave tough messes in the past. Hoover's Power Spin Brush Roll scrubs deep into your carpets, while strong suction and heat force cut down on dry time. And Power Dash is super lightweight and compact, so whether you're tackling spills like this, accidents like this, or just giving your home a refresh, it's no big deal with the Hoover Power Dash Carpet Cleaner. Get impressive results only from Hoover, plus our lineup of powerful solutions at your favorite retailer today. The Hoover Power Dash Carpet Cleaner.